Okay guys, so this is just a super quick add-on to the video that I just posted because Etsy has made a couple of changes that did not show up for me because I already had a seller account set up. So if you are starting a brand new Etsy account, they are going to actually walk you through a few steps that are going to be required before you can ever go in and edit any of the other things I showed you in the video that I'm going to link it in the description, the video that I just posted. And then I'll also tag back to this one so that you guys can find it. So frustrating because you cannot go into YouTube and edit after you've already uploaded, and I discovered that this morning. So whenever you do those first steps, which was setting up your actual account, then you're going to go under my account and you're going to choose to start selling. And that is when it's going to walk you through these next steps. And what they have done is they now require you to list your first product before you can ever set up your store to sell, which I think is kind of silly because a lot of times people don't have their products yet. They want to just get their store set up and ready. But this is kind of a workaround for that. So it's going to have you choose a store name, and this you will be able to change after you get this all set up. So you can try, like if you already know what store name you're going to go with, you can go ahead and try that out. And if it says it's already taken, which there's a good chance that it is, unless it's super unique because Etsy has so many sellers on there now. But you can just choose some rendition of the name that you want, and then you can play around and figure out exactly what you're going to do with it later. This is just helping you actually get this silly thing up and running. The second thing is it's going to have you list a product. And so for this, what I would do and what I did is I just drug a picture in there of a random thing. I just put a picture of my passive income book that I have in there, and it tells me, oh, it's not the right size. It doesn't matter. You're just getting through this step so that you can go in and edit all the things. So put a picture in there, put some sort of a title in there that makes them happy. You have to have certain things filled out before it'll let you go to the next step. So, put in some sort of a title. I just wrote in the description box, you can see, and then put a price, put a quantity, a couple of other little things, and then it'll let you continue. It is also going to make you upload the digital product there as well. And so for this, I just chose a random PDF and uploaded it there. And so again, you will want to go in and make sure that this is just a draft once you finish all of this so that you're not actually selling some random PDF on there. But I just did that so that I could get through this step because again, to me, it seems so silly that they are trying to make you create a product to list before you've ever even set up a store, because in my mind, it just seems backwards, but maybe it's not. And then what Etsy is going to do is it's going to walk you through several of the most important and required steps in order to sell on Etsy. And I do cover what to put in all of these in my other video that is linked in the description. But you just, you're going to just kind of follow through and do what they ask you to do. They have you link your bank account. At this point, you can link your regular checking account, like whatever you bank at, or information they want to know that you're going to be able to pay for your listings, etc. So just go through these steps that they're requiring of you, and then you can go back in and edit all the things we talked about in the other video. Just wanted to cover that with you guys really fast because again, this is something that it did not walk me through. This did not used to exist on Etsy. And because I already had a seller account set up, it didn't take me through this. So I hope this helps answer some questions. Again, I'm going to link to the original video and I will link back to this video. So hopefully you guys find this. I will talk to you soon.